Hi, and welcome to Always Dolls. Today we have a viewer's request to craft a version of American Girl's lemon meringue pie and bowl of lemons from the new release kitchen set. This craft is super simple to make and gives you the option to serve your dolls different flavours of pie just by changing the insert pieces. Leave a like if you enjoy this video and subscribe to help our channel grow. So, let's get making! For the pie, we are using sheets of coloured fun foam. These have a sticky back. We also have non-sticky fun foam in tan for the crust. Start by making a slice template. Trace a circle onto cardstock. Ours is 6.5 centimetres in diameter. Find the centre point, mark, then cut the circle in half. Now, divide one half into quarters and cut. To match the AG version, we rounded the corners on our slice templates. Next, punch a hole in the centre of your half and quarter piece. For each quarter piece of pie, trace your template onto the fun foam 7 times. Note that 2 pieces will need the hole marked. Repeat with your half slice template. Carefully cut out, making sure to punch the holes when required. We can now layer our fun foam. Join the 2 bottom pieces. Glue together all 5 top pieces. Adhere the bottom and top together. Since fun foam comes in different thicknesses, measure the height of your slice, then cut a strip of fun foam the same width. Wrap this around the 2 straight edges of the slice to neaten the piece. Cut away the excess fun foam. Next, trace your slice onto tan fun foam for the base. We cut 2 of these and glued them together. Place your template up against the curved side of the crust piece and mark the placement of the hole. Here, we need to stack 2 additional tan circles for the peg. Let the glue dry. Cut a strip of tan fun foam that is the width of the pie, including the crust layers, with an additional 1 centimetre so that we can cut a pretty scallop along the top for additional detail. To attach this outer crust, we only want to put glue on the base piece. Wrap the scalloped strip around your base and secure with low-tack tape while it dries. It also helps to put additional glue on the join at the base for strength. When everything has dried, remove the low-tack tape and pie slice from the crust. We can now make additional slice inserts in different colours of fun foam. We have used orange for pumpkin pie. For faux cream, you can use white caulking or deco cream. This is a very inexpensive brand sourced from eBay, and it also comes with a star tip. To help with even placement, lightly press dots into the fun foam with a toothpick. This part is such fun. Squeeze the bottle to make dollops of cream, then twist or swirl the bottle to form that perfect peak. Keep going till you have covered the whole lemon meringue with whipped cream. We varied the amount of cream on our pumpkin pie so it looked more traditional. Give the deco cream 24 hours to dry out and set. Okay, let's make a bowl of lemons. You can find similar plastic mini bowls at your local dollar store. Mask off the top outer rim with low-tack tape. For that 2-tone look, we chose to use gloss cream spray paint for the inside and satin lagoon for the outside. For the actual lemons, we are using air dry clay. Take a pinch about the size of a 20-cent piece and roll it into a rough oval shape. With your fingers, press down on the tips to elongate the shape. The clay is still very soft, so work slowly and gently. Nextly, roll the clay in your cupped palm to smooth out the form. With a hard, bristled paintbrush, poke the clay to mimic the rough texture of lemon rind. Use the tip of the paintbrush handle to make an indent in the top of the clay for the pit. When you have made 6 lemons, join them together, checking the cluster fits nicely into your mini bowl. Now you have an adorable bowl of lemons, perfect for your doll's kitchen. We hope you enjoyed this DIY lemon meringue and pumpkin pie tutorial. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Always Dolls for more miniature crafting fun.